Okay, picture this. Imagine having an entire team of dedicated, incredibly smart assistants working around the clock for you, literally 24/7, lightning fast and completely for free. Sounds like a total sci-fi fantasy, right? Well, welcome to the Explainer. Today we're going to fundamentally transform how you work by unlocking a highly tactical, step-by-step productivity playbook. And the whole goal here is to absolutely supercharge your daily output using AI. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here's our roadmap for today. We're breaking this down into three distinct phases. First, mastering deep research. Second, effortless creation. And third, career advancement. We're keeping this completely action-oriented, focusing heavily on those step-by-step instructions so you can actually start applying these tools the minute this explainer is over. Section 1. Mastering deep research, generating consultant-level insights. Let's look at how we can use AI to dramatically speed up information gathering and synthesis. So, have you ever found yourself needing to put together a seriously high-level report backed by hard, verifiable data, but you just felt completely bogged down by the slow, agonizing process of manual research? You know the feeling, right? Opening a dozen different tabs, totally losing track of your sources. It's a massive, super relatable roadblock for so many of us. Well, meet your very first assistant. This is Grok. Now, while you might already know it as a conversational AI, we are going to leverage this tool specifically for its incredibly powerful real-time deep search capabilities. Here is exactly how you put it to work, step by step. Step 1, go to grok.com. Step 2, customize your prompt according to your exact needs. Step 3, and honestly, this is the absolute most critical part, make sure you enable the deep search option right there in the interface before you hit enter. The real secret sauce here is how you set up that initial command. Instead of just asking a basic generic question, give the AI a very distinct role. For example, tell it to act as a senior PhD graduate. By setting this specific persona and giving it a clear objective, you're literally forcing the AI to elevate its output. It goes from giving you a simple internet summary to producing a truly professional academic-grade document. And the result is honestly brilliant. It doesn't just feed you vague answers, it generates highly detailed, sector-specific impacts. But the real game changer here, it actually cites its sources with verifiable links to trusted institutions like Goldman Sachs and MIT. That is a structured, consultant-level report, fully cited, done in absolute minutes. But let's be real for a second. What if you're tackling a highly complex topic and you simply don't want to trust just one single AI model to get it right? Getting a second or even a third opinion is always a smart move when the stakes are high, right? That brings us to our next tool. It's called Multi. Think of this as your ultimate all-in-one companion for comparing AI logic side by side. Setting this up is just as simple. Here are the steps. Step 1, visit app.getmulti.ai. Step 2, enter your customized prompt into the chat box. Step 3, click the Compare Model button. And step 4, select the specific AI models you want to actually test against each other. Once you're in there, the sheer number of powerful models available is kind of mind-blowing. You aren't locked into just one tech ecosystem anymore. You can select OpenAI's GPT, Anthropic's Claude, and Google's Gemini, and just queue them all up to run your prompt at the exact same time. And here is where the magic really happens. All these different powerhouse models are generating their own unique research reports simultaneously, all based on your single prompt. You can instantly evaluate their different approaches, spot any weird inconsistencies, compare their data points, and ultimately synthesize the absolute best output for your project. All right, moving right along to the second major workflow area of our playbook, Section 2, Effortless Creation, Writing and Coding at Light Speed. Let's be totally honest. Sometimes you're just too lazy to type. Or maybe your brain is just moving way faster than your fingers can keep up with. If we want to completely eliminate typos and keyboard distractions, it's time to meet your new voice-powered AI dictation assistant. This is Whisper Flow. The concept here is beautifully simple. You just speak instead of typing. It bypasses the keyboard entirely, turning your speech into clear, polished writing in literally any application you use. Getting started takes seconds. Just go to whisperflow.ai and download it for macOS or Windows. Now, let's switch gears to something that usually causes massive headaches for people: coding. Does web development feel like it takes entirely too much time? Or maybe you've just avoided it altogether because, well, you don't actually have any coding knowledge. Allow me to reintroduce you to Gemini.
But this time, we are going to utilize it as your new dedicated front-end and back-end AI developer.
Here is the step-by-step workflow to turn a super basic idea into functional code. Step 1. Provide a text prompt explaining exactly what you want, or you can even just upload a simple sketch of a user interface. Step 2. Ask the AI to write the code for it. Step 3. Wait a few minutes, and your result is completely ready to be implemented. Think about this incredible before and after transformation. You literally just give it a simple one-sentence text command asking for front-end HTML and CSS code, and in return, Gemini fully renders a complete modern B2B lending web page. It just proves you no longer need to be a software engineer to build beautiful, functional interfaces. It's a total game changer. Let's head into our final section of the explainer today. Section 3, Career Advancement, Hacking the Job Search. Are you putting in all the effort, spending hours on applications, but just not getting enough interview calls? It's incredibly frustrating. Sending your resume into the black hole of modern job boards is tough, especially if you aren't optimizing for the machines that are actually reading your application first. Enter the ATS Resume Generator. This is a custom AI tool designed specifically to help you navigate applicant tracking systems. For those who don't know, ATS is the automated keyword filtering software that companies use to literally reject resumes before a human recruiter ever even glances at them. Here's the exact sequence to start dynamically optimizing your applications. Step 1. Upload your current resume into the tool. Step 2. Copy and paste the exact job description of the role you want right into the prompt. Step 3. The AI will give you an ATS relevance score and tell you exactly what you need to update to get past those corporate filters. The AI actually maps the specific requirements of the job description directly against your uploaded resume. It flags exactly what is missing, like, say, specific domain knowledge, and highlights what matches perfectly. It essentially hands you the exact cheat code you need to bypass the bots and get your resume shortlisted. So armed with this step-by-step playbook for deep research, effortless creation, and career hacking, what I really want to know is, which AI assistant are you going to hire tomorrow?